Good morning, students. Today's topic is reactions in solution. What do you mean by solution? Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more non-reacting substance. Homogeneous means the mixture whose composition is uniform. Solution has two components. First is solute, second is solvent. Solute are those components which are present in less quantity. Solvent are present in higher quantity. Here we take one example. Sugar dissolve in water. Sugar is a solute which present in a very less quantity. But water is a solvent which are present in a large quantity. And after mixing the sugar in water, it will form a homogeneous solution. Now next term is concentration. Concentration means the amount of solute present in a given amount of solvent or solution. It shows the term concentration. Now, what are the methods to express the concentration of solution? Suppose A is a solvent and B is a solute. W is the mass in gram. First, X% HCl by mass or weight means W by W. It means X gram of HCl present in 100 gram of solution. But this HCl is solute. And how will you calculate the mass of solvent? Means 100 minus X gram. Because solute plus solvent, that is equal to solution. X% HCl by volume means V by V. It means X ml of HCl in 100 ml of solution. The solvent is 100 minus X. X gram HCl W by V. It means mass by volume. Means X gram of HCl present in 100 ml of solution. Now we will discuss one by one. First of all, mass percentage. Mass percentage means it is the mass of a component per 100 gram of solution. Means mass percentage is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution. Solution means solute plus solvent. Multiply by 1000. Here we take one numerical. A solution is prepared by mixing 50 gram of sugar in 200 gram of water. Calculate the mass percentage of solution. It means mass of solute WB, that is 50 gram, present in 200 gram of water. It means WA is 200. Then first of all calculate the mass of solution, that is equal to 200 plus 50, means mass of solvent plus mass of solute, that is equal to 250 gram. Mass percentage is equal to WB that is 50, and total WA plus WB, that is 250, multiply by 100, that 20% is the mass percent of the solution. Second numerical, calculate the mass percentage of benzene C6H6 and CCl4 if 22 gram of benzene is dissolved in 122 gram of CCl4. Mass percentage of C6H6 is equal to, means mass of benzene, that is 22 gram, divided by Mass of solution 22 plus 122 multiply 100, that is 15.28%. Then how will you calculate the mass percentage of CCl4? 100 minus 15.28, that is 84.72%. Now next question is 10 gram of NaCl is present in 100 ml of solution. Find mass by mass percentage if the density of solution is 1.2 gram per milliliter. Mass by mass percentage means mass of solute divided by mass of solution multiply में 100. Here density is given. Then first of all we calculate the mass of solution. Density is equal to mass by volume. Mass is equal to density multiply volume. Density 1.2 multiply volume 100, that is 120 gram. Mass of solute, that is 10 gram. This one. Mass of solution, that is 120 gram multiply 100. Answer is 8.33%. Now the next topic is volume by volume percent. It means the volume of the component per 100 parts by the volume of solution. V by V percent means volume of solute divided by volume of solution multiply में 100. Now the third type is mass by volume percentage. It means the mass of solute divided by volume of solution multiply 100. Means our sugar solution has 5% mass by volume. It means 5 gram of sugar is present in 100 ml of solution. Because this mass by volume na, it means this is 5 gram and that is 100 ml. Take one example. A sugar solution is 5% mass by volume. Find mass by mass percentage if the density of solution is 1.25 gram per milliliter. It means 5% mass by volume means 5 gram of sugar is present in 100 ml of water. Means a solution. Mass of solution is equal to density multiply volume. Density 1.25 gram per ml multiply volume 100 ml, it means 125 gram. Weight by weight percentage is equal to 5 divided में 125 multiply 100, that is 4%.